Ayan, so, it's all over the news. And siguro napanood nyo na rin by this time. And though, parang naiipit yung UAE at the moment sa war. So, wala naman pang advice dito sa Dubai masyado. But then, we wanted to take a precautionary measure ba? Na parang, we just wanted to prepare na lang din. Though, sabi ko nga, above all, it's the prayer that is most powerful weapon na pwede nating magamit at any moment. Lalo na siguro pag overwhelmed and natatakot tayo. So, iisip ko lang din since, yun nga, in case of emergency, so mag-prepare ako ng emergency bag namin. So, ano-ano ba ang pwede nating i-consider na pwede natin madala? Ano ba talaga yung essential, di ba? And sa akin, personally, syempre, family of 4 kami. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Ano ba talaga yung ideal na pwede nating malagay dapat dun sa emergency bag lang natin. Actually, ginugel ko pa to kasi hindi talaga ako yung before na nakapag-prepare ng something. But then, yeah, in case na, say, wag naman sana na we have to leave and we have to go to a safer place na ng government or kung ano man, kung ano. Kasi as of the moment, parang yung mga flight is, hindi ko sure kung allowed pa rin na mag-travel. So, hindi option ang makauwi tayo ng Pilipinas or kung saan man. So, nung ginugel ko siya, ang sabi is parang we can pack ideally good for 3 days. Parang ganon. So, dahil nga family of 4 kami, tapos iniisip ko pa kung which one is ideal. Is it a backpack or the luggage? So, since parang sabi ni Google din is what is ideal is backpack daw talaga. Pero dahil nga family of 4 kami, tapos hindi rin naman masyadong malaki yung backpack namin. Ito naman yung ipapack, i-ready ko na bag. And so, maliit siyang tingnan, pero full capacity to. I mean, marami siyang nalalaman talaga. But then again, I will just pack it with maybe a 1-day kind of emergency items. And then maybe the rest, i-duffel bag ko na lang. So, ganyan siya. Yan. Unang-una, sabi nila documents, of course, ang mga passport namin. And next is yung mga iba pang importanteng documents. Ito, with regards to sa dalawa kong anak, vaccination record nila, yung baby records nila, and ito yung mga marriage, birth certificate, and as well as marriage certificate. So, nilagay ko na dito. The next is the medicines in case of emergency. Nandito yung mga gamot namin na pwede namin magamit. And power bank, cables, charger. So, ayan, ilalagay din namin to sa bag namin. And of course, sabi din dun sa, ginugol ko, very, very important, ayan siya. So, flashlight. So, hindi ko alam, pero hindi ko talaga maiwasan na hindi mag-alalaga. Yung parang, syempre, who knows, I mean, although I'm thinking na, bakit ba ako matatakot? I know the prayers are powerful. Pero, at least, iba pa rin siguro kung mag-ready tayo in case. You never know. And then, may nag-advise sa akin, in-advise ko na to keep whistle also with the kids. So, eto nga, bumili ako ng whistle para sa mga bata. And, nagulat ako kasi for a longest time, ang tagal-tagal na natin na gumagamit ng whistle, but I didn't really pay attention to this. Meron pala tayong international whistle code na 1 blow, 1 blast, it means where are you. It says here actually, it's very good instruction actually. And then when you blow 2 times, it means come to me. And then when you blow 3 times, it means that you're seeking help, so you need help. So in this case, and then it says if the responder or if somebody heard about the blow, the whistle sound, we have to respond back by blowing 1 time. I'm planning to give this to the kids para in case lang din. Pero hopefully, matapos na talaga to and hindi na lumala yung sitwasyon. Tapos, toiletries, ayan. Meron din tayo dito ng mga first aid kit na i-ready ko rin. What else? So, canned goods din tayo and some foods na pwedeng makain ng mga bata in case of emergency. Then, yung ilalagay ko siguro sa backpack namin is isang set lang ng damit ng mga bata. And siguro small towel, socks, ayan. And then, siguro the rest pwede namin ilagay dun sa backup na either sa duffel bag or sa luggage na lang. Tapos, siguro isang blanket. Magdala lang kami ng isang blanket in case. Pinakamahalaga din siguro, in case of emergency, mahalaga may cash tayo. So, Ayan, nag-withdraw din tayo ng konting cash. And so far naman, as of the moment, I am thankful to God. I'm grateful na we're still safe. Wala pang kaming nararamdaman. Though dun sa ibang part ng Dubai, sa Pam Jumeirah area, may affected na talaga. Tapos si Tinang din kanina nasa office, sa Jebel Ali yung office niya. And naramdaman na din daw nila yung pagyanig talaga. So, pray for each and every one of us na sana matapos na to and that everyone will be safe, na walang masaktang ibang tao, walang madamay. Ayun. So, kung may suggestion kayo, baka pwede niyo share sa akin kung ano pa yung mga bagay na pwede kong i-add or alin yung mga bagay na hindi na practical dalhin. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat. Keep safe everyone.